Dumelang bagaetsho ko lapeng, nna leina la me ke nna Ipeleng Akanyang. I am 23 years of age and I would like you at home to vote for me because I'm confident I got what it takes to be the next presenter of Gemstone. Please vote for me. Dumelang bagaetsho, nna le me ke nna IP and you are watching Gemstone. Gemstone is the only program that will take you from zero to hero, the only program that will make you a dynamite star, and the only program that will take you to heights. If you're aspiring model, aspiring actor or actresses, aspiring presenter like me, or aspiring someone like you, singer, or aspiring dancer, this is your show. If you have to come to President Hotel every Saturday at 10 o'clock to be here, or you can go on to www.gemstonevote.com to vote. Thank you.